Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just made it through security. I'm at Vancouver International Airport and I've splurged on this trip, so I'm going to be flying business. I've used up all my points and so I'm going to be heading over to the business lounge. Everything went fairly smoothly. Had to get my tests and everything done at check-in for all the way booking through Abu Dhabi and all the way to the Seychelles. So all that went fairly smoothly, but we'll see what happens when I land in London and get on to the next flight, and we'll see how that goes. But let's head on into the lounge and see what goodies we get. Alright, just leaving the lounge now. Gotta go get myself a power adapter for the Seychelles. Thank you. Yeah, I need a power adapter, otherwise I won't be able to charge anything. I have one for Turkey, but not for the Seychelles, so I think it's a Type G power adapter.
At this time, we invite customers in Zone 1 and 2 to board now or at their leisure to the priority boarding lane.
Alright, it's a crazy amount of document checks. I need to have my COVID test. They got to check my passenger locator form for the UK. They got to check my Seychelles arrival form, and all these agents at the counter have to do checking for everybody. So it's a bit of a gong show. Anyways, I'm through. I'm about to board the plane, and we'll check out the seat on Air Canada business class. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Perfect. You are 3A, so first count right here.
Finally, for the first time I get to go left. Not right.
That's awesome.
Hi. Alright, so I'm settled into my seat now, and let's just explore a little bit of what we get on Air Canada business class. We get a seat with lots of space. I guess you can't see in there, but inside there is lots of foot room and a place to put my bag. We've got a really decent sized TV. There's my hand for scale. And then you've got a decent little storage area here. Fits some goodies. They actually give you a full-size pillow and blanket. And they give you a goodie bag as well. So inside the goodie bag, looks like we have a toiletry kit, some fancy headphones, some wipes, and another mask. Let's see what we get in this toiletry kit. Alright, looks like you get some creams, and there's some socks, some earplugs, toothbrush and mouthwash, and that's lots of little goodies that you get right there. I'm gonna get myself settled, and then we'll see what happens when the food comes. Real cutlery. It's all very good. And this is the main course, chicken thighs with a lemon mustard sauce. Alright, I'm all settled in. My cozy little bed. Try and have a little nap. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Just had the best sleep I've had on a plane. And we're about 40 minutes from London. So we're starting our descent. And it's been a really good flight. Thumbs up so far for the business class on Air Canada, and next business class flight will be on Etihad, and we'll see you as we get off the plane in London. I'm just gonna go check out the lounge because I'm still flying business. So there's no lounge access, so I didn't get any lounge here in London. And my flight is delayed right now, and I only have a 2-hour window for when I land in Abu Dhabi to get to my next flight for the Seychelles. So it's going to be a bit iffy if I make that connection. All right, welcome to Etihad. I just got into my seat. It's quite spacious, actually. Got myself a champagne on this one. Didn't get it on the last one. So tons of space in this little pod here. And so this should be a comfy flight for my next leg. All right, while I enjoy the champagne, let's see what we got here. We got a nice footwell, and looks like we got a nice blanket. We got another little storage space down below. Little side stuff to store a bunch of stuff in. Nice little side tray. And one little plug, which is in a really odd spot down by your feet. As you're trying to squeeze out, you probably keep kicking it out. The tray table will come out. And it's huge. And you get some nice noise cancelling headphones. Get a traveling well together kit. Let's see what's inside. Hand sani, some sanitizing wipes, another mask. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's like it's a full-on like neck warmer. All right. Oh, I can wear it as a bandana as well. And then we have our toiletry kit. It looks like we've got an eye mask, toothbrush, cologne, and some hand cream. All right, that's the essential goodies that you get here in the seat. Alright, I just got off the plane and I barely made it to the bus for my next flight. I had about half an hour to get through the whole airport, and now we're just waiting on the bus. I guess there's a lot of other flights that are delayed and stragglers, and looks like it's going to be a full flight in economy, so the last 5 hours will be the most unpleasant. But we're so close to the Seychelles, and next stop will be sunny and hot, and it's actually pretty hot here in Abu Dhabi. It's midnight and it's 30 degrees. Alright, we're about to take off. Very different than the business class. No space, no TV, but at least it's only short 4 hours, so, and I've flown like this my whole life, so I might as well get used to it since business was electric. It's 5 a.m., just arrived in the Seychelles, so now I just gotta get through customs, get my bag, go through the maze, and hopefully we're all good. There should be somebody with my name on it. No. Hi. You're gonna take me somewhere fancy, I'll be one of those people. Are you Richard?
Yes, Mitch.
Yes, Mitch.
Morning.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was your flight?
It was good.
Good?
Yeah, well, long from Vancouver. Alright, just arrived at the hotel. Now I'm just waiting for somebody to show up, even though I paid for 2 nights. It's 5 in the morning, but otherwise I was gonna be sitting around till 3 in the afternoon doing who knows what in the middle of nowhere. So I've got the room, but I just gotta wait for a receptionist to show up and check me in, and then I'll get myself settled, and then grab something to eat, and then maybe check out. There's a little mountain behind here, and go for a quick little hike or something. And that's a little bit what you see for the water, if you can see it. Here's the view from my deck. Got a little swimming pool. Got a view of the bay out there. And just in time for the sunrise. We got about an hour till breakfast, so I'm gonna freshen up, get myself a bit organized, and I'm only here for the night, and then I take off at 9 tomorrow on the boat. It's about an hour drive to North Island, and that's when the real fun starts. So, all right, time to go get cleaned up.